Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching us from, this is Odum Maths, and we are looking at method of completing the squares as a method of solving quadratic equation. Okay, now let's look at this example. 2x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Let me ask this question. Can we factorize this? Okay, let's try. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then the factors of negative 2. So that is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2. So let's see. From these 4 numbers, we are going to take 2 numbers. When we add or subtract, it will give us negative 3. But when we multiply, we should get negative 1. Would that be possible? Let's ask. So if I take negative 1 and negative 2, adding will give us negative 3. But when I multiply negative 1 and negative 2, I'm not going to get negative 1. So then it means with this question, we cannot factorize. We can only solve this by method of completing the squares. So let's look at the method itself. And before then, let me put the system of quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So I am going to start from here and get the formula, the quadratic formula, then we'll go back to solve examples with both the complete the square and then that of the quadratic formula. Okay. So how do we complete this or solve this by the completing of square? So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that the coefficients of this x squared is 1. So how do we make this 1? That is making sure this a is not there. Okay. So by doing so, we only divide all by a. So that is going to give us x squared plus b over ax plus c over a, which is equal to 0. Then from here, since we are in another form, we are making x the subjects. So this doesn't contain x, so we should go to the other side. So x squared plus b over ax equals, this is moving, so that is going to be negative c over a. From here, we are to take the coefficients of x and multiply by half, or in some cases we divide by 2. So we multiply by half, and then we square the results and add to both sides. So let me take only b over a, that is the coefficient of x. So b over a times half is going to give me b over 2a. Okay, so this is what I am having from what I did here. Now I am going to square this and add to both sides. So let me square b over 2a is squared. Okay, now I am going back to the question, the solution. So x squared plus b over ax, now plus into brackets this one, b over 2a squared equals, now I am adding this to both sides. So I've added the first to this side, and then I am going to do same to this side too. So let me bring it here, b over 2a all squared, then minus c over a. Okay, so this is what I have now. Now, this is where we are. So, in the actual sense, we are going to, the simple way is, let's do some selection. We are going to select this x and this b over 2a, and then put them into brackets with this operation sign. Please be attentive. This operation sign. So if this is minus, you use minus. If it is plus, you use plus. Then we put them and then square them. So x plus b over 2a all squared. Okay. Then this is equal to b over 2a squared minus c over a. Okay. So from here, let me try to expand this to see whether I'm going to get this one. So I'm going to expand this, then after we'll continue. So in the actual sense, expanding this is just like writing this, or this multiplying itself 2 times. So x plus b over 2a and then x plus b over 2a. Okay, so I am expanding. This times this will be x squared. This and this will be plus b over 2ax. So I'm done with this one. Now this and this will also be plus b over 2ax. Then this and this just like plus into brackets b over 2a squared. Okay. So it means I can add these two. So okay, so we have x squared plus b over 2ax plus b over 2ax plus b over 2a all squared. I am not going to expand this. Okay, so let's add these two. So x squared plus b over 2a. So when you add these two, you are going to get this is the same denominator. So this is going to be 2b over 2ax plus b over 2a all squared. Okay, so that is only this one. After I'll tackle this one. So this will take care of this one. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a all squared. So that is what we have here. So when you get to this point, don't worry yourself, just do selection. Take this and this one, put them into brackets, and then square them. That's all. Okay. Okay, so let me take this one and then simplify it. Now, b over 2a squared minus c over a. Okay, so I am going to remove the square here, just so I'm going to just put the squares on them. So this is going to be b squared over 2 squared, and a squared becomes 4a squared minus c over a. Okay, so let's look at simplifying this. So the LCM here is 4a squared. Now 4a squared divided 4a squared will be 1. 1 times b squared becomes b squared minus a dividing 4a squared, just like 4a squared over a. So that is going to be 4a. So this a will cancel one of this a, so 4a. Okay, so that is, so 4a times c becomes 4ac. Okay. Okay. Now, where we are here, so we need to remove this square here. So just like putting square roots on both sides. So square roots here, and then square roots also here. So this will take care of this one. So we have x plus b over 2a, which is equal to, let me bring my plus and minus. So that is going to give me plus and minus square roots of b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. Okay. Now, in indices, when you have square roots of a over b, it's the same as roots a over roots b. So we can apply this knowledge here. Okay. So in this case, our x plus b over 2a becomes plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, then over square root of 4a squared. Okay, and in indices again, root of a squared is the same as this, taking care of this, so the same as a. So our x plus b over 2a is equal to plus and minus, or plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over, this is the square root of 4a squared. It's like square root of 2 squared times a squared. And this can be root of 2 squared times root of a squared. So that is going to give us 2a. So here is now 2a. Okay, 2a. So let me move this to that side so that I'll get only x. So x becomes, now this is positive, when it goes to that side it becomes negative, or if I add additive inverse of b over 2a, I'm going to get negative b over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac then over 2a. Okay, so here also we have 2a, the same denominator, so we can write just 1, and that is going to give us x to be equal to minus b plus or minus square roots of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And this is the quadratic formula. When you go, you try more examples using these three methods. Thank you.